Hanggang ang galing ako'y asahan mo. Kahit pa anong landas pinapahagin mo, upang tayo'y di magkalayo. Sana'y laging kapiling, diyan ang aming dalangin. Magpakailanman, hindi magbabago. Ilang kinalaman na ito ako nang sumamay sa iyo. Ang pagbuhay ay hindi maglalaho. Hindi na awit ko. Wala ang pakinggan, tayo ay walang magpakailanman, hindi magbabago. Hindi ikaw, hindi natin ko. Narito ang dinig ko, tumatawag sa'yo, para ibuksan ang iyong puso. Magpakailanman, hindi magbabago. Ang sinisigaw, ito puso. Magpakailanman, magpakailanman, narito ang dinig ko, tumatawag sa'yo, para ibuksan ang iyong puso.
The competition gets tougher and tougher, and I believe you would agree with me. Pabongga ng pabongga talaga yung ginamit ko na. Pasidhi ng pasidhi ang ating kompetisyon. Buwan ng wika, pasidhi. Hi, handsome. Hi, Christian, how are you? He's doing fine, and you look good on the stage, and you seem to be enjoying your performance. Do you?
Yes.
He does enjoy his performance. We would like to know whether you, judge number 1, enjoys his performance. What can you say?
Bakit ako?
I know how to sing, but yeah, of course. Well, you hit the notes as Miss, what is it? Miss Ariel Carrascal always says that you hit the notes. What Alfred, what are you doing there?
Trying to meet new friends. You will be witnessing how wonderful the next performance will be, but I believe you have to continue giving your comments with our
Can I pass my comment to...
Sure! I believe Ma'am Rayel, our binibining beautiful Miss Rayel has her words. Let's hear what Miss Rayel has to say.
Bakit gano'n? Ang pogi ni Kuya. Ay, nakaka-speechless. Taga saan ka, Kuya?
Sir, Siganto.
Pwede pumunta. Ganda ka. Alam, hindi. Ang galing. Nakaka-in love. Perfect.
Gusto mo i-kiss kita? Uy, sobrang Christian. Kasi pag kinis kita, panalo ka na. So, hindi pwede yun. Kasi may dagdag points sa mga judge pag kinis kita. So, I have to believe in you. Perfect?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Christian. We wish you luck and... I was talking to the next performer because she would like to have the microphone.